Hi friends, this video shows how to use ADB. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Then go down. Under system we can find developer options. Select it. These are the list of developer options. Go down, set USB debugging. Let me enable USB debugging. Done. Then go to TV. Then go to laptop. Here in this laptop we need to install one tool. We need to install this ADB tool. This is a zip file that I downloaded from the internet. So we can download this, then extract. Here you can see adb.exe. From this path, open command prompt. Here you can see the command prompt. So after that, we have to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. See, you can see that I already connected this laptop to TV using USB cable. Then from here we can run commands. Here you can see list of commands. So I have listed around 40 commands here. See. So let me check this one by one. First command. So you can see ADB shell pm list packages. Using this command, we can list all apps installed in this device. Let me run this. See. So if you want to check for particular app, for example Netflix app, we can run this command. See, here you can see the Netflix package. If you want to open one app from this terminal, you can open. See, let me run this command. Using this command, we can open Netflix app. Let me copy again. Go to terminal, paste, run it. See, it has opened Netflix app. Okay. And if you want to uninstall Netflix, you can uninstall from here. We can go to home screen. So let me try that. So let me run this command. If you run this command, it will automatically go to the home screen. See, we can install Netflix, we can record screen. Then this is the command to open Hotstar. We can back up all data from this device to laptop. We can restore. Then, so using this command, we can see all files and folders inside this device. So let me run that. So you can see all files. We can also download files from this device to laptop. We can upload files from laptop to this device. We can delete a file or folder from this device. And we can do many things. There are a lot of options. Okay. So that is the use of this ADB. So using laptop, we can execute a lot of commands in this device. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.